Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know you're going to see a lot of videos with me wearing this shirt and this hair, but that's okay. I'm spending an entire day and I'm trying to catch up on some of my filming. And one of the things that I've been wanting to film for you guys is a monthly favorites. I have not had the chance to film a monthly favorites, it seems like, in a while. So I just thought that I would pull together all of the things that I've been loving over the last month or two and show you guys what it is. Let's get started with skincare. Okay, I did a dedicated video to Amani Vegan Cosmetics, and one of the reasons I did it is because they sent it to me. It's for review, and the only thing that I got out of it was free product, and they told me just to try it out, do a video, and if I liked it, to let them know. And so one of the standout products that they sent me is this. This is their 7-in-1 primer serum, and oh my gosh, guys, I've not really used it. It doesn't take much, and so, I mean, what I've been doing is I've just been putting this in with my moisturizer at night, and I'm loving it. I just love this stuff. It smells so clean and fresh. It just feels like you're doing something really good for your skin before bed to treat it right, and I've just really been loving it. And if you're interested, the video is up on my channel. Go check it out and find out a little bit more about this company. It was a huge fail when it came to the foundation, but the other products weren't that bad, and this was a favorite. So I've really been using this one steadily. Okay, the next thing that we can talk about is also skin related. I've got to bring this up again. Guys, I am in love. This is definitely becoming a holy grail item for me. This is what I mix this in with. This is the Aveeno Absolutely Ageless Restorative Night Cream. Guys, this stuff is so, it smells so good, and it does not take very much at all. It's about $20-something at the drugstore. It's worth it. It's very Maya. It goes a little, goes a long way, and I just get a little bit of this, and I sort of just like stick my fingernail in there, and I just kind of wipe a little bit on each part of my face like that right there, and then I go in with one squirt of that, and I just rub my hands in, and then I massage my whole face. And guys, it has been helping my thirsty skin so much. It's been crazy. I really like it a lot. I feel like that it's helped my skin bounce back from the sun damage that I got a week or two ago. So yeah, I'm really pleased with it. Now, the next thing that I want to talk to you about is, I guess, let's just talk about fragrance. Guys, I've had this for forever. I've used it for years. But the Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb, I've been hitting this baby heavy and hard for the last couple of months, actually. I mean, I have just fallen in love with it again. It's such a wonderful nighttime, evening, rich and sultry kind of fragrance. I love it. This is not something I wear during the day. This is something I definitely put on at night, and I've just been drowning myself in it. I absolutely love it. It smells so good. I know that it has patchouli in it, which is a favorite of mine, and yeah, so I would suggest if you have never had this perfume or you've never even smelt it, go take a smell of it. I think you'll love it. I know you will. It's just the best fragrance. It's very soft, but yeah, it's sexy. It's a very deep scent, and I really love it. So that has been my fragrance lately. Then as far as my nails are concerned, guys, I have just been really digging this nail polish, this Periwinkle Blue. This is by Essie, and it's called Bikini So Teeny. That's the name of this Essie polish that I have on my nails. I absolutely love this color. It's so fun for the summer, and yeah, I've just really been enjoying it, and it's an OG color from Essie. I've had this for a really long time, actually, so yeah, I have just really been loving blue, and I think it's so cute and a lot of fun for this time of year. The next thing that I have to show you is the Flower Concealer. I have been using the Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer from Flower Beauty for a couple of months now. Ever since I hauled it and used it as a first impressions, I just fell in love with it. Now, I'm a little too dark for the light now, because really, ideally, your concealer needs to be only one shade lighter than your actual skin tone. And this is much, much lighter than one shade. So I've had to put it and shelf it for just a little bit. I actually used it in this makeup look today, and I ended up having to go in and darken it up with a darker one. So it's just a little bit too light for me, but it's really good, especially for dry skin. If you have dry under eyes, trust me, go get you some Flower Beauty Light Illusion. You'll thank me. You will. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is face product. This is something that I've had for a while, and I mean, like, I've used it 1,000 times, but you would really never know I've used it that much. It is the Jouer powder highlighter in Skinny Dip. Guys, this, I love it. I just love it. I mean, it's like dusty, and you can see I've been digging in there. It does not take much. I mean, you just barely touch it is all you have to do. Do you see that? Woohoo! Yes, right there. And my skin is already kind of shiny because I've got moisturizer on, but you can still see that is stinking blinding. It is absolutely beautiful, and it comes in a beautiful package. I love Jouer. Everything that I've ever gotten from Jouer, whether it's their lip toppers or anything, has always been really high quality. So I rediscovered this. I sort of did a little shop my stash kind of thing, and I thought, you know what, let me go back to Skinny Dip for a little while because it's the perfect color for this time of year for me, and it's a perfect, you know, suntan highlighter. And so yeah, I pulled out Skinny Dip, and I've been loving every minute of it. So there's that. The next product is my mascara. This is the Monsieur Big waterproof mascara by Lancome. Guys, this is just amazing. It really is. It's got a really nice large brush that carries a lot of product. It's perfect for your upper lashes. I do use it on my bottom lashes, but it's a really large brush, so you have to be really careful with the applicator. But other than that, I absolutely love it. It is super waterproof, but it gives your lashes such a full, voluminous length. It is amazing. It is like falsies in a container right here. I love it. I have a couple of lip things that I want to share with you. First of all, this lip that I'm wearing right now, actually, I probably could go ahead and freshen up. This is by Milani. This is number 64 Matte Orchid. I love Milani lipsticks just because of the way they smell. Yeah, see, it was beginning to wear off. I've been filming, I've eaten, yeah. Matte Orchid. This is the prettiest, brightest pink ever. I love it. I think it's so soft, but yet it's bold. And I really like that about it. And they smell like watermelon. Oh my God, there's nothing better than the Milani lipsticks to me. I just love them. They are my favorite drugstore lipstick. They just are. They always will be. What I've been pairing with it is a lip liner from NYX. This is in Pinky Rose. It's just from NYX. Absolutely love this. It is just the best color to go with the lip that I have on. But it's so soft and so creamy. And what I like to do with it is I like to go in the sides of the corners of my lips and kind of work their way. I line the whole lip, but I just kind of fill it in on the outer corners, kind of bring it down just a little bit. And then if I have like a little bit of a lip balm or something like that on, it does go in over that, and then all I have to do is just rub them together, and the color will spread, and it sort of gives you that popsicle look, you know, because it's darker in the corners and lighter in the center. And I really like it by itself, but underneath this, great combination. Great combination. The last thing that I want to talk to you as far as lips. This is from Neutrogena. It's their Moisture Smooth Color Stick. I've been trying to keep it sharpened as much as possible. Guys, this is a wonderful product. Now mine is in the color Fresh Papaya. Let me go ahead and give you a swatch of that. It's not overly pigmented, but oh, is it ever moisturizing? It is awesome. I love this stuff. I think it was Emily Noel was talking about these, and I'm not really into buying a whole lot of Neutrogena when it comes to actual makeup, But she was really raving about these, and I thought, well, you know, I'm gonna try that. I've had it for about a month now, and it takes very little. I swipe it on my lips. Because it's pointed, it's a really easy application. I absolutely love it. So there's that. I do have one food item that I want to share with you guys. Guys, I go through bags and bags and bags of these. And it's kind of funny because it's just one of those things that I like to munch on. So this one is almost gone, but this is the Great Value brand, which is the Walmart store brand, but it is trail mix. This one is in the purple, and it's called the Indulgent Trail Mix. Each one of their flavors or mixtures has a different name. This is the Indulgent. Guys, listen to what's in here. A decadent mix of white chocolate and peanut butter flavored drops, peanuts, golden raisins, dried cranberries, almonds, and cashews. I don't know if you can even see it through the front there. Gosh, it's like, I can't stop, won't stop. I munch on these all the time. And it really only takes maybe a handful to satisfy me. It really does. You know, I'll just reach in, you know, a couple of bites worth, and I'm ready to go. It curbs my sweet tooth and my salty tooth. It really cures, you know, just that munchiness that I get sometimes, especially late at night. Sometimes I'll just get kind of the munchies or whatever while I'm watching Netflix or YouTubing or whatever, you know. I just grab some of this. I think it's $6 for this big bag, but it goes a long, long way. And you can put it in your little stash somewhere where your kids won't find it. And you'll love it, trust me. You'll really enjoy the trail mixes from Great Value at Walmart. They're just on the aisle with the snacks and where you would find popcorn and that sort of thing. This one must be the most popular one because sometimes I really have a hard time finding one, and sometimes they're completely sold out. But I love this. So there we have a food item. So guys, I think I've covered a little bit of everything from nails to skincare to makeup, lipstick, food. I hope you enjoyed watching my favorites for this month. I didn't really have a tremendous amount of items to look at, but they're the things that I have truly found myself going to over and over and really enjoying. And I wanted to share that with you. So that's going to be it, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out and hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified for every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye.